गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. Today on this auspicious day of Guru Purnima, I am starting with my new YouTube channel Inspirational Stories. Please do like and subscribe. Today's story is the story of Shivaji Maharaj and Ramdas Swami. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was a very faithful devotee of his Guru Samartha Ramdas Swami. So, he was his Guru's favorite disciple. Samartha used to love him more than the other of his disciples. Seeing this, the other disciples of Samartha started to feel that since Shivaji Maharaj is a king, he is the Guru's favorite. Samartha decided to remove this misunderstanding of his disciples. So, he once took all his disciples to the forest. In the forest, they lost their way. Samartha went into a cave and pretended that he was having severe pain in the abdomen. The disciples entered the cave and saw that Samartha was groaning with pain. They asked Samartha how they could help. On hearing Samartha's reply, all the disciples were amazed. Here, Shivaji Maharaj left his fort to visit Samartha. He got the news that Samartha had gone to the forest with his disciples. So, searching for Samartha, he started wandering in the forest. All of a sudden, he heard someone groaning. He went closer and found out that the noise was coming from a cave. He went inside and saw that Samartha was tossing on the floor in pain. He folded his hands and politely asked Samartha the reason for his restlessness. Samartha, I am having severe abdominal pain. Shivaji Maharaj, is there any medicine for this, Gurudev? Samartha said, No, Shivba. There is no medicine for this. It is a very rare illness. There is only one remedy. But let it be. Shivaji Maharaj, Gurudev, please tell me the remedy. Do not hesitate. I cannot sit quietly without relieving your discomfort. Samartha, milk of tigress, that too freshly milked, but it is impossible to get it. Shivaji Maharaj picked up a kamandalu, bowed down to Samartha, and left in search of a tigress. After wandering for some time, his eyes fell on two tiger cubs. Shivaji thought, surely their mother must be around. Within seconds, the tigress appeared. On seeing a human near her cubs, she started growling. Shivaji Maharaj was capable enough to fight the tigress, but here, fighting was not the motive. He gathered courage and folded his hands in front of the tigress and said, O mother, I have not come here to harm either you or your cubs. I need your milk to cure my Guru's illness. Please let me take it. I shall give it to my Guru and come back to you. Then if you want, you can eat me. Saying so, he lovingly moved his hand on her back. Even mute animals can be won by love. The tigress stopped growling and like a cat started to lick Shivaji. On getting the opportunity, Shivaji milked her and filled the pot. He bowed down to her with gratitude and left the place. Shivaji went back to the cave where Samartha was and keeping the pot in front of him and bowed down to him. Samartha said, "So finally, you brought the milk of a tigress? God bless you, Shiva. When there is such a faithful and devoted disciple like you, how can the Guru be in pain for a long?" Samartha put his palm on Shivaji's head and looked at the other disciples. Now they realize that if a Guru loves a particular disciple, it is because he is worthy of it. He is worthy of that special grace. Jealousy increases one's weakness and defects. So, instead of being jealous of such a worthy disciple, we should try to remove our weaknesses and defects.